Today I am going to share how to make a very powerful drink for any throat issues you may have. This drink is not only just effective but very delicious too. It wills your throat while also delighting your taste buds. In today's time, it is very crucial than ever to keep your immune system very strong. COVID-19 waves are coming so frequently. These waves will come and go, but if your immune system is strong, you will not get affected by it. Nowadays, sore throat, pain in throat and headaches is becoming very common. Every other person is either having inflammation or irritation of the throat. Throat infection is a possible COVID-19 symptom. Yes, COVID-19 has resurfaced in recent weeks, so we have to be cautious and protect ourselves during these days. Today I am going to share an excellent recipe that will instantly treat throat pain or throat infection. This recipe also will boost your immunity when your throat is infected. Then your body's metabolism goes down and then you develop a fever, body pain, throat pain, headache and all these things. The current circumstances around us are tense, but you don't have to get affected by them. All you have to do is take precautions. Drink this one powerful drink and your throat infection would be taken care of. This medicinal drink can be given to anybody, children as well as adults too. Children will not say no because of its sweet taste. Now understand the ingredients that you need. 1 cup of water, pinch of turmeric, 1 spoon of grated ginger, pinch of black pepper, a pinch of cardamom or cardamom powder, and a small piece of jaggery. It is a combination of powerful ingredients. Each ingredient in this drink has wonderful medicinal properties. Turmeric contains antibiotic properties. The curcumin component in turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties and so it helps to reduce swelling and inflammation. Hence it may help in the relief of sore throat. Ginger is another very great spice that helps in inflammation and infection. It helps in releasing pain too. Ginger has antiviral properties that are beneficial against respiratory viruses and so it releases inflammation and treats a sore throat. For centuries, black pepper is known as king of spices or black gold. Black pepper was widely used for its medical benefits. It contains antioxidants as well as iron, potassium, magnesium, manganese, zinc, chromium, vitamin A that can clear mucus and enhance metabolism. Cardamom, it's a tiny little spice but is very powerful in combating cold and coffee. It is very rich in antioxidants. Cardamom oil made from seeds is very effective to calm down a sore throat. All these other spices used in this drink are hot and danger, but cardamom provides a cooling effect that will keep your stomach neutral and prevent acidity. Jaggery boosts the immune system and regulates the body temperature. It helps with the removal of any extra mucus from your body. Now understand how to do in a vessel. Take 1 cup of water and add a pinch of turmeric, 1 spoon grated ginger, pinch of black pepper, a pinch of cardamom, and a small piece of jaggery. Now let it boil till the water quantity becomes half. Have this once or sometimes twice a day to cure this infection. Understand sore throat is contagious and they can pass from one to another very easily. Viruses or bacteria that cause sore throats are usually found in mucus, nasal discharge and saliva. Hence, you must take precautions to prevent the infection from spreading. So drink this powerful drink daily and give it to everyone in the house to see that the infection is taken care of. It doesn't spread easily. When you take such a drink, you make it lovingly nicely. You would avoid getting infection not just of COVID-19 but any other infections which are airborne. Since your immune system gets boosted, so try and see that you take care of yourself. You become aware of your respiratory system. Your nasal passages should be free from congestion once in a while. Take a long inhalation and exhalation, long breath, and that will help you to keep your immunity strong. Remain strong and remain healthy. We hope you enjoy the video, so please like and share with others. For more videos, subscribe.